Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza cake. First, gather your ingredients, including pizza dough, sauce, cheese, and your favorite toppings. This unique dish layers pizza components into a cake-like structure, offering a delightful twist on a classic. It's a fantastic way to impress guests or simply enjoy a creative meal with your family. Let's dive into the steps to create this delicious treat. Next, prepare your pizza dough. You can use pre-made dough to save time or make your own from scratch. Roll out each portion of dough into a thin, even circle, roughly the size of your springform pan. A 9-inch springform pan is ideal for creating a well-structured pizza cake. Lightly grease the pan to prevent sticking, ensuring easy removal later. This careful preparation sets the foundation for your delicious layers.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: making pizza cake can sometimes mean leftovers and you'll want to store them properly. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your pizza cake fresh. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's assemble the pizza cake. Place your first dough circle into the greased springform pan. Spread a thin, even layer of pizza sauce over the dough, leaving a small border. Then, sprinkle a generous amount of shredded mozzarella cheese and your favorite toppings. Repeat this layering process with the remaining dough circles, pressing down gently after each layer to ensure a compact cake. This creates a beautiful, multi-layered effect. Finally, it's time to bake your pizza cake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the springform pan into the oven and bake for 30 to 40 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. If the top starts to brown too quickly, loosely cover it with aluminum foil. Once baked, let it cool for about 10 minutes before releasing it from the pan, then slice and enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.